Hands are right if you fuse together. Say it with me. A is for apple, red and sweet. A yummy fruit, a healthy treat. B is for ball, we bounce and play. Rolling and throwing, fun all day. C is for cow, it says moo. It gives us milk, fresh for you. D is for desk, where we write. Drawing and learning feels just right. E is for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that's very long. F is for flower, blooming bright, color shining in the light. G is for girl, smiling wide, learning ABCs with pride. H is for house, cozy and small, a happy home for us all. I is for igloo, made of snow, a chilly place where Eskimos go. J is for jam, so tasty and sweet, spread on bread, it's a treat. K is for kangaroo, hopping high, jumping, leaping to the sky. L is for lamp, shining bright, it gives us light at night. M is for mushroom, round and small, growing quietly, short and tall. N is for nest with eggs inside, birds keep babies safe inside. O is for orange, juicy and round, a tasty fruit that can be found. P is for puzzle, piece by piece, fit them together, what a release. Q is for queen with crown so high, she rules the land beneath the sky. R is for rainbow, colors bright, shining after rain, what a sight. S is for snake, slithery and long, hiss, hiss, hiss is its song. T is for train, moving fast, choo-choo, choo-choo, it zooms past. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when raindrops fall from the sky. V is for violin, playing a tune, music dancing under the moon. W is for whale, big and blue, swimming in the ocean too. X is for xylophone, ding ding ding, play the notes and let them sing. I is for yarn, soft and neat, knitting scarves to keep warm feet. Z is for zoo, where animals stay, come and visit them one day. Yay! We did A to Z. Great job, friends!